Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. Today we are going to be going from adult to dazzling with these hair transformations. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So first up, we do have someone who wants to go a little bit more copper. And as you guys know, this is one of the hottest hair color trends that we are seeing in 2023. And she is also going to be getting a haircut for this change. Wow, what an absolutely gorgeous bob. Look at that color. She looks absolutely amazing. Very cute. And then we have the next style, which features this blonde bob haircut. Ooh, such a beautiful, chic, polished bob style. Next up, we have someone who decides to switch things up by going blonde. Now she does have virgin natural hair, so it is going to be very hard for her to work that color in and bring it to life as a blonde. Ooh, the stylist did an amazing job with this. Look at the dimension. Oh, this blonde came out amazing. Absolutely gorgeous. So I hope that you guys have been able to find some major hair inspiration with all of the styles seen so far. I'm going to leave you with checking out the rest of these. If you guys do feel inspired, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.